I'm Pip Cochran and I'm a freelance marketing consultant with over 30 years experience. The industry has changed a lot during that time, so I wanted to build on my knowledge by taking the CIM's Level 4 marketing qualification with an elective module in professional digital marketing. Our first term was spent at Business at Llandrillo Menai in Bangor, and we then moved on to online learning with a change from one full day once a fortnight to half a day every week, which is a lot easier to ensure the knowledge learnt is retained. The lessons, which are just as structured, have been given using Google Meet, which is easy to use and doesn't require any special software, and the transition from a learning perspective has been seamless. The lecturer is able to share their screen to present documents and slides, and all documents are uploaded onto the college's intranet, so we are able to view, download and print the information. Importantly for students is the engagement with the lecturer and the fellow course delegates, and this has been no different, as it is easy to communicate and to have discussions during the lesson, and everyone is contactable by email or phone in between.